Hi everyone, this is China. From today onwards, I'm going to post a series of videos focusing on practical, simple English sentences. These videos are specially made for those of you whose English is at beginner level. In my opinion, learning and memorizing whole sentences is much more practical and efficient than just memorizing individual words. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying learning vocabulary isn't important. It absolutely is. However, if we don't know how to use them in real context, we won't be able to use these words correctly. Moreover, if you can use their sentences right after learning them, it will definitely help you build confidence in English learning. If you like my videos and find them useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't be afraid to leave your comments down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Without further ado, let's get started. Today, we will focus on the sentences on how to greet when we meet people. 1. Hello, how are you today? 2. I am fine, thank you, and you? 3. How are your mother, father, brother, and sister? 4. They're very well, thanks. 5. This is my teacher, Mr. John Smith. 6. I'm pleased to meet you, Mr. Smith. 7. What's your friend's name? 8. His name is Bill. 9. Hi, I'm Mrs. Brown's husband. 10. Who are you? Are you a doctor? 11. No, I am not a doctor. I am a student. 12. My name is Kelly. I come from Taipei. 13. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. 14. Goodbye. See you next week. 15. Good night. See you tomorrow morning. I believe you all have done a good job. Okay, in this section, you will see that I have separated each English sentence from its corresponding Chinese translation. Through this practice, you can check how well you've mastered the sentences we just learned and whether you are able to use them correctly. I strongly suggest that you cover either the English sentence or the Chinese sentence. Are you ready? Go. Are you ready? Go. Now, let's cover the English sentence. 你好，你今天过得怎么样？ What's your answer? Yes. Hello. How are you today? Now, please cover the Chinese sentence. I am fine, thank you, and you? What does this sentence mean in Chinese? Yes, it means 我很好，谢谢你。你呢? Now, please cover the Chinese sentence. How are you? How are your mother, father, brother, and sister? Great. It means 你的妈妈、爸爸、弟弟、哥哥和姐姐、妹妹都好吗? Now, please cover the English sentence. Great! They are very well, thanks. Now, please cover the English sentence. Good job. This is my teacher, Mr. John Smith. Now, please cover the English sentence. Good job. I'm pleased to meet you, Mr. Smith. Now, let's cover the Chinese sentence. What's your friend's name? What does that mean in Chinese? Well done! 你的朋友叫什么名字？ Now, please cover the English sentence. His name is Bill. Wonderful. Now, please cover the English sentence. What's your answer? Hi, I am Mrs. Brown's husband. Brilliant. Now, please cover the English sentence. Who are you? Are you a doctor? Brilliant. Now, please cover the Chinese sentence. No, I am not a doctor. I am student. What does that mean in Chinese? 不，我不是医生，我是一名学生。Wonderful. Now, please cover the English sentence. What's your answer? My name is Kelly. I come from Taipei. Good job. Now, please cover the English sentence. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wow, very smart. Now, please cover the Chinese sentence. Goodbye, see you next week. What does that mean? 再见，下周见。Now, please cover the English sentence. What's your answer? How do you say that in English? Good night. See you tomorrow morning. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time. Bye.